Fall is here and so are the fall plant sales. Today I went to two different ones that happened to be today. Usually they don't wind up on the same day, but today they did. At both sales, there were a bunch of leafy greens and other fall things or cooler weather vegetables and flowers, but I start those by seed typically. But what I like to go to these plant sales for are the more unique or rare things, perennials or landscaping plants, as well as houseplants. I was definitely tempted by a lot of things, but I was pretty good today and I didn't buy plants at one plant sale, but I did at the community college plant sale. So let's check out my haul. So I was good and I just got 3 plants. First off is this fishbone cactus. I had always wanted one, but the ones I've seen at nurseries were small and expensive and never looked super healthy. And although this is just basically one large cutting, I think larger cuttings tend to do better, and I am sure there will be new growth on this in no time. I forget what the prices were because they are all very reasonable prices, but it was probably $6 or $7. Next up is this Frederick passion fruit plant. Again, I think it was $6 or $7, maybe $8. I had tried growing passion fruit before, just kind of your typical standard variety of passion fruit, very early on in my gardening journey, and I didn't know what I was doing and I killed them. But I am definitely ready to try again now that I know what I am doing a little more. I have other passion fruit varieties at home, but they are some cool rare varieties that I got at this same plant sale in the spring. But I really wanted a common passion fruit variety, so I was happy to grab one today at the plant sale. And last but definitely not least, this is what I was most excited to get, a Pakistani mulberry. I think this was about $12, so that's not a bad price at all. This is the variety that has the long berries. Yes, it's a smaller size, but it will grow quickly, and usually Pakistani mulberry trees are very expensive. I think the cheapest I've seen them is $40, and for the larger sizes, they can be upwards of $75 to $100 or even more. This was the last one, so I scooped it up quickly, and it's funny because I almost didn't even see it until I took a closer look. I am so happy with my plant purchases today, and I am glad that the plant sales are back because it's where I can truly find the most unique or rare plants with affordable prices.